Okay, so good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
So we are right now in phase 2 program, and today is the day 3. So day 3, we will be doing the, whatever we have done and some new sentences. So I really want to check also whether are you really practicing or not. I don't know about speaking. Speaking is a different part. First of all, if I give you a sentence, are you able to change it into passive or not? That is the thing. Because at least, writing comes first and then the speaking sometimes. So if you can really write it, then you can later on practice and you can make yourself, expert in this. So, okay, let's go ahead then. So in between, if you have any question, let me know. So today we are doing the phase 2 class, phase 2 passive sentences. So right now you can all see active sentences. He bought a flat. He bought a flat. So let's ask Sunita ji, what will be the passive affirmative sentence?
Affirmative. A flat.
Okay,
By.
let's write a flat. Okay, a flat. A flat. Please don't think about making wrong. You just, whatever you know, you apply that knowledge and speak.
A flat by.
A flat by. B-U-Y, by.
By नहीं होगा.
Okay, then what will be the sentence?
बहुत ही रहेगा.
Achha, a flat bought. B-O-U-G-H-T. Okay, bought. A flat bought. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, can you tell me the passive negative?
A flat not bought.
A flat not bought. Okay, very good. Now tell me the passive. A passive interrogative.
Passive.
Interrogative. Interrogative means suppose you are questioning someone. Then what will be the sentence in passive interrogative?
I think do.
Acha, do hoga. So do.
Do a flat.
Do a flat. Do a flat bought like this.
I think.
Okay, very good. So we can understand that after a long, gap, we have basically forgotten many things what we have learned. Okay, let's go to the next person and we can expect some correction in these sentences. Yeah, Devashish, go ahead.
I knew that.
Yeah, passive affirmative.
Passive, a flat. What a flat.
You people have forgotten the
flat
rules.
Was a flat. Flat सामने आ जाएगा. Flat was.
Achha, flat was. The flat was.
Was bought. Yes, bought है. The flat was bought.
Okay, what will be the next?
Passive negative.
Yes.
The flat was not bought.
A flat was not bought. Okay. Now passive interrogative.
Passive interrogative.
You're asking questions.
Active. If it is passive affirmative, then it will be like this. Did he bought a flat? Then if it is in passive, then was the flat bought by him?
Okay. Right
was the flat bought? Was the flat bought?
Okay, so we'll write was the flat was a flat. Sorry, was a flat.
Was a flat bought by
Was
him.
a flat bought. Okay, by him we are not
Okay, okay. Was a
considering now.
flat bought.
Was a flat bought. Okay. So let's Shivangi, I'll come to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Shivangi, what do you think? Are these sentences right according to you?
A flat was bought. Flat was not bought. Was a flat bought. I think, sir, all the sentences are correct.
All the sentences are correct. Okay, Shujoy, what do you think? All the sentences are correct?
No, last is not correct.
Okay, what will
Was
be the last?
was a flat not bought?
It is not in negative interrogative.
Oh,
This is
oh,
simple
okay. Oh,
interrogative.
okay.
Interrogative.
Okay, okay. Oh, it is correct. Correct. Was a flat bought?
Okay. Okay, so it is correct. So we have the next person, Chandon. What do you think? These sentences are right?
Sir, bought it is past কি বলে?
Participle.
Past participle. Yes, sir. Bought past participle, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Oh, brought. BROUGHT. Right?
That one is being brought. This is by bought.
By what?
Right, by bought. It's
Yeah,
right, sir.
Zeba, any input on this?
Every sentences are right, sir.
Yes, sir. ठीक है सब.
Okay, all the sentences are correct. Absolutely right. Devashish has done it again. All the sentences are correct. Very nice. Very good. You know, Devashish always acts as if, you know, he doesn't know anything. But, you know, he's basically the black, dark horse. He knows everything, you know. Okay. We'll go to
One second. Please
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Right. Don't worry. Anyhow, I'll be giving the PDF to everyone. So I don't know whether you people follow the PDFs or not, but I'll be sending you that is my part. I'll be doing it. Yeah, Shivangi, do you read the PDFs which I normally send? Your voice is not coming, Shivangi.
Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the PDF which you sent.
Normally, which I send.
Huh,
Do
sir.
you go through that? Last GPA Saturday class you didn't attend. I don't know whether you went through the topic or not.
Sir, I just want to ask a question. I mean, sir, you have sent a lot of videos on GPA, which I had missed earlier. But sir, when I start downloading the file now, it will it will show that it is downloading, and after that, when I go through the Google, it is.
So right now we are doing this sentence. Doctors are nurturing the patients. So according to it, we have got the answer. The patients are being nurtured. Patients are not being nurtured. Patients are the patient being nurtured. So Shuja is telling this. So who can verify? Yeah. Yeah, Zeba, what do you think?
Yes, sir. Right.
Now all the sentences are right. Yeah, absolutely. Shuja, you have done the right thing. Devashish, the being was not there when you said.
But sir,
Yeah, tell me, Shivangi.
sir, but यहाँ पे तो you have already told that if there will be two verb, then if there will be one verb, will we use only two verb in the.
Yes, passive sentence will always have one verb extra. And all the auxiliary verb will sit as it is. So you see the passive sentence, the patient is the object, so that has come first. The auxiliary verb are, so the same auxiliary verb will be sitting in the passive also. The nurtured, the action denoting verb, it will sit as a past participle in the passive sentence. Now we know the extra verb which will sit before the main verb, that is nurtured. So that will always be from the be family. So that is the reason it is coming after are. So that is the reason the be family verb will be being with ing form. So active sentence has got two verbs. So passive sentences here are having three verbs. Devashish, somehow you miss the
yes,
number of words.
yes. No, tick. Ekdam.
Yes.
Okay, right.
Don't be too fast. I'll be giving you the time. Think, are you really, sometimes we think that, okay, we can make it. Please see the sentence very vigorously so that you can, your answer should go well. Okay, the next sentence I'm putting here. Teachers had taught all the students. Teachers had taught all the students. Teachers had taught all the students. Yeah, Shivangi, tell me your answer.
Teachers had taught all the students. All the students.
All the students same auxiliary verb will be sitting here.
All the students had.
Had, okay.
All the students had been taught by the teachers.
Okay, teachers, I'm not talking about subject
Okay.
part here. So all the students had been
Had
taught.
been taught.
Okay, what will be the passive negative?
All the students had not been taught.
Okay, all the students had not been taught. Okay, what will be the passive interrogative?
Are all the students much confident?
Are.
Are
Are all the students
no,
had
no,
been
sir.
taught?
No, sir. I think were.
Yeah.
WERE, where all the students had been taught.
Where all the students had been taught. Done? Okay, so yeah, Devashish, any correction you want to make here? Your voice is not reaching, Devashish.
No, sir, right, sir.
All the sentences are right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Sujoy,
No, last is not correct.
the last sentence is not correct. Okay. What will be the last sentence?
Had all the students been taught?
Okay. Absolutely right, Sujoy. Shivangi, you have done
Yes,
very
sir.
good. I don't know what happened. कहाँ से ये where आ गया आपके लास्ट वाले सेंटेंस में? ये where
Sir.
आपके ऊपर में सेंटेंस में कहीं पे where नहीं था. आप अच्छे से देखो, ऊपर जो वर्ब्स हैं वही वर्ब. आप अगर पैसिव एफर्मेटिव को आइडेंटिफाई कर लेते हो तो बाकी वर्ब बाकी तो सेम ही है, खाली एक जगह नॉट आएगा, एक जगह पहला वाला वर्ब आगे चला जाएगा. तो ये एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से वेयर आ गया? आपका तो सेंटेंस ऑलरेडी है, आप तो ऑलरेडी सही कर किए भी हो. यहाँ पे ये जो हैड है, ये पहला, ये दिस वाज द फर्स्ट वर्ब, सो ये हैड वर्ब भी आगे आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
Had all the students been taught? Why you are increasing the number of verbs? We are talking about, यहाँ पे अगर एक सेंटेंस है जिसमें 2 वर्ब हैं तो इसका मतलब है ये सारे पैसिव में 3 वर्ब्स होंगे.
हाँ.
Had
Yes,
all the students been taught? Okay, but you did good. Not 100%, but at least you have got 75%. Good. Okay, we'll go to the next person now. Sujoy. Sujoy has been speaking really good. So we need to really make something very tough for him. Okay. Raj has been catching butterflies. Raj has been catching butterflies. Raj has been catching butterflies. Yes, Sujoy, tell me the sentences. Affirmative.
Butterfly has been being catching, catched.
Butterflies. Butterflies
Has been being,
has been being
being
Ping.
has been being caught.
caught.
Butterflies has been being caught.
Caught.
Okay. Great, great. Okay, what will be the next sentence?
Butter. Oh, butterflies है ना? Butterflies have been,
So in this sentence, it will be have been.
have been. Yeah, also butterfly has have been being cut.
You're talking about the first one or the second one?
First one is also
The first one also have. Butterflies have been being caught. Butterflies have
have been not have not been
not been caught. Have not been being caught.
caught.
Caught. Okay, and what will be the last sentence?
Have butterflies have
Okay, have butterflies. Very good. Have butterflies
been being caught.
been being caught? Okay, okay. So guys, anybody wants to say anything? Is it right or okay? Sunita ji, आप बताओ sentences सही है कि इसको changes करना है? फेस वैल्यू में मत जाओ, सेंटेंस के वैल्यू में जाओ.
आई थिंक सही है सर.
सही है. Anybody who wants to add something in this sentence? Yeah, Gautam, you are there? Gautam, you are there? इतने छुपे छुपाए क्यों हो? आप बताओगे तो आप आ गए. Yeah, Gautam, are you getting these sentences? The passive is clear to you, right, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know, that whether passive is clear to you or not. Okay,
Sir.
don't worry, I'll be coming to you. Yeah, who said who?
आई थिंक हैज भी होगा ना इसमें.
Okay, okay. Has होगा. Okay, और किसको इससे लगता है कि has होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे? Anyone? So सुनीता जी यहाँ पे have ही होगा, you know,
Sir,
क्योंकि
have होगा sir.
butterflies.
Because it is third person plural. It will
Yes.
be have.
कभी भी हम अगर प्लूरल को यूज करते हैं, जैसे बटरफ्लाईज हो गया, और वो थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल बोलते हैं इसको, तो बटरफ्लाईज अगर होगा तो हैव बीन हो जाएगा, तो वहां पे हैज नहीं बैठेगा. Okay, we'll go to the next person now. I have to see the face and then I have to give the. Okay, so we have Zeba with us. So, okay, Zeba, for you the sentence I'm just thinking. They will be calling me. They will be calling me. Yes, tell me, Zeba. The first sentence. They will be calling me.
I
Okay, I
will be
be
called.
I will be called.
Being BEING.
Okay, I will be being called.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, what will be the next?
I will not be being called.
I'll not be being called. Okay, yes, next.
will I be being called?
Will I
Be being called.
okay. See, when you are talking about interrogative, your pronunciation will also change. Will I be being called? Will I be being called? क्या मुझे भी बुलाया जाएगा वहां पे? Will I be being called? So this is the way we should say. Very good, Zeba. All the sentences are right. अगर किसी को कोई question है तो वो कर सकता है. Otherwise, the sentences are right. Absolutely right. Okay, now we'll go to the next person. We'll go as per the face value. Yeah, Chandan, you are ready?
Yes, sir.
So I don't know how much. Yes, anyone?
Sir, actually, I just want to say something.
Yeah, please.
So you told will I be being called as मतलब it came a lot in life that ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि we started talking in Hindi and we want to translate that in English. But today only I have understood that will I be being called का मतलब होता है कि क्या मुझे भी बुलाया जाएगा. So
Right.
it's very good to
Will I
recall
be
the
being called?
things
See,
which is happening.
बुलाया जाएगा और एक होता है बुलाएगा. दोनों थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है. बट जब आप इंग्लिश में यूज करोगे तो कुछ ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है दोनों में. इफ यू से विल आई बी कॉल्ड देयर, विल आई बी कॉल्ड, क्या मुझे वो कोई बुलाएगा. विल आई बी बीइंग कॉल्ड, उस समय क्या मेरे को बुलाया जाएगा. जैसे क्या होता है, एक होता है कि बुलाएगा और एक होता है बुलाया जाएगा. बुलाया जाएगा मतलब उस पर्टिकुलर फ्यूचर में कुछ देर के लिए उसका नाम को बुलाया जाएगा, पुकारा जाएगा काइंड ऑफ. जब उस फ्यूचर में उस नाम को बहुत देर तक बुलाया जाएगा, यू नो, जस्ट सपोज क्या होता है, मुझे बुलाया जाएगा, शिवांगी मुझे बुलाएगी, आई विल बी कॉल्ड बाय शिवांगी. लेकिन अगर कभी कभी क्या होता है, हम लोग कभी मेले वगैरह में जाते हैं, अगर कोई आप देखोगे कि कोई क्या होता है, वो
खो जाता है,
कोई गुम हो जाता है, तो अनाउंसमेंट होता है, बहुत देर तक अनाउंसमेंट चलता है, रिपीटेडली चलता है कि ये खो गया है, इसके माता पिता कहाँ है करके अनाउंसमेंट होता है. तो अनाउंसमेंट होता नहीं है, होता रहता है. आर यू गेटिंग इट? देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन होता है और होता रहता है. तो ये जो आई विल बी बीइंग कॉल्ड मतलब ये होता रहेगा इन फ्यूचर. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग. जस्ट अ मिनट. will I be called and will I be being called में कुछ ज्यादा अंतर नहीं है. so you can use anything which you feel convenient, but yes, you can use this also. will I be being called? okay, fine. so
सर एक क्वेश्चन है.
हाँ बोलिए.
सर ये जो मतलब एक्टिव सेंटेंस होता है उसका और पैसिव का, जैसे अफर्मेटिव अगर बोल रहे हैं कोई भी टेंस, तो मीनिंग क्या सेम होगा अगर हम एक्टिव ना बोल के पैसिव?
मीनिंग इज सेम, बट हम लोग पैसिव क्यों करते हैं? हमारा फोकस किस में रहता है? मेरा फोकस क्या है कि मम्मी ने राजमा बनाया था. तो ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, मैं बोल रहा हूँ मम्मी ने राजमा बनाया था, तो यहाँ पे फोकस मम्मी में है कि राजमा में है? मम्मी ने राजमा बनाया था, मम्मी ने राजमा बनाया था, मम्मी ने बनाया. मम्मी में मेरा फोकस ज्यादा है. लेकिन अगर मैं फोकस करूं, अरे राजमा बनाया गया था, कहाँ थे तुम? Are you getting it? Sometimes we focus on the object. हम किसी को अगर मेरे घर में बुला रहे हैं तो हमें क्या बोलना है, यार मेरी बीवी बना रही है कि मेरा मम्मी बना रही है? मैं सिंपली बोलूंगा अरे रसगुल्ला बनाया जाएगा, आना मेरे घर. मैं थोड़ी ना बोलूंगा कि अरे मेरी मम्मी रसगुल्ला बनाएगी तुम आना. ऐसा नहीं कि हम नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन बात है कि हम क्या बोल रहे हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि वो एक्टिव होगा कि पैसिव होगा. मेरा यहाँ पे फोकस ये नहीं कि मैं आपको समझा रहा हूं, मेरा फोकस है कि आप समझो. so what I will say, I will not say I am teaching you. I will always say guys, you are always being taught कि ऐसा होता है. तो सुनने में भी अच्छा लगता है. आपको लगेगा कि नहीं कि आई एम डायरेक्ट. मैं अगर सबको ये बोलूंगा अरे यार मैं तुमको हमेशा तो सिखाता रहता हूँ, तुम सीखते क्यों नहीं हो? तो उसको बुरा लगेगा, वो सोचेगा कि यार ये अपने आप को क्या सोचता है, बोलता है कि मैं इसको हमेशा समझाते रहता हूँ। लेकिन अगर यही चीज मैं उसको पैसिव में बोलूं, अरे तुम्हें तो हमेशा बोला जाता है, समझाया जाता है, तुम क्यों नहीं समझते, तो वो उतना डायरेक्ट किसी इंसान को इमेजिन नहीं करेगा। वो सिर्फ यही सोचेगा कि हाँ यार सच में मुझे तो बहुत बार सिखाया गया था ये। सो गाइस, दिस इज द वे यू कैन स्पीक। द मीनिंग इज सेम, बट आप किस इंटेंशन में बोलते हो वो इम्पोर्टेंट है। अगर मैं ये बोलूं, सपोज पानी गिर गया, तो मैं ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि हु हैज डन दिस, मैं ये बोलूंगा हाउ इट वाज डन, ये कैसे हो गया। तो मैं अगर बोलूंगा कि ये कैसे हुआ तो किसी को खराब नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन अगर मैं ये बोलूंगा शिवांगी तुमने ये क्यों गिराया, तो शिवांगी को खराब लग सकता है। तो इट इज अप टू मी कि किस वक्त मैं एक्टिव बोलूंगा, किस वक्त मैं पैसिव बोलूंगा। बट यस, people who are expert in English, they have been seen that they speak in passive sentence more often. Okay, now I'll go to Chandan. Chandan, I'm giving you very easy sentence. I will do the class. I will do the class. Tell me the passive.
The class will.
Yeah, the class will.
Be. Will. Okay. Will be. Will be.
The class will be
Done.
okay. What will be the negative sentence?
The class will not be done.
Will not be done. Okay. What will be the interrogative sentence?
Okay. Will. Okay. Will the class not be done? Not be. Sorry. Will the class be done?
Will the class
be done?
be done?
Be done.
Will
Right.
the class be done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, absolutely right, Chandan. Your all the sentences are grammatically correct. Very good, Chandan. I thought you might face some problem, but you have done it very nicely. Very nicely.
Sir, passive interrogative with the class be done. What would be the Hindi? I mean, proper
What will be the Hindi?
of will the class be done? I mean,
Class
क्या
क्या
class
होगा?
होगा?
क्या class होगा?
अच्छा, क्या class होगा?
Will the class be done? क्या sir class लेंगे? Will sir take the class? Okay, like that. आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं उसके ऊपर सारा कुछ depend करता है. Will the class be done? Okay, next I'll be going to the Gautam.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, Gautam. Okay.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yeah, Gautam, what happened?
Not audible, sir.
Not audible. I'm not speaking. That is the reason you are not getting my sound. There's no any technical error. Police will have take care the matter.
What, sir?
Police will have take care the matter. This is the sentence.
This will have take care of matter.
Yeah. Now I want the passive sentence of that.
Matter. Matter. Matter will have taken care by police. Matter will have taken care by, I think. Matter will have taken care by police.
We are not talking about by here. So mainly we are talking about the matter only. So as we see in active sentence, there's an article the is there. So we have to put the here. The matter. The matter will have taken care.
Yes.
So पहले तो मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड था कि आप मुझे बोलोगे कि सर एक्टिव सेंटेंस में यहाँ पे टेक नहीं होगा, टेकन होगा, लेकिन शायद आपने उतना गौर नहीं किया. बट अच्छा, फॉर्चुनेटली आपने जो आंसर दिया उसमें टेकन था. सो दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग यू हैव डन. The matter will have taken care.
I think I showed you the earphone because you were not audible very clearly.
I was not audible. But I
Audible,
think...
but not. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. Tell me the next sentence.
Yes. What is the sentence, sir?
The sentence is same. उसको negative करो.
Oh, negative.
Yes.
The matter will not have taken care.
Not have taken care. Okay. Okay, now what will be the last sentence?
Last sentence, interrogative.
Yes.
Will the matter have taken care?
Okay. Will the matter have taken care? Very good. Very nice.
Thank you.
Very good. Any question? Any doubts? Any clarification?
No, sir, because I joined late today, that's why I was confused. I joined almost 30 minutes late.
But you have done the passive sentence class. You have done in past, I guess.
Yeah, I have done it in past, but I have forgot to some extent. That's why.
Okay, that's fine. It's fine. Any question? Because now I'll be giving you the sentence and you have to make all the 12 sentences.
No, I am okay now.
Okay, no, I'm telling to everyone. Yes, anyone having any question, any query, any clarification, any doubt? हाँ, सुनीता जी बोलिए.
सर इसमें तो दो वर्ब में तो ऑडिक लगेगा ना, विल हैव है तो ऑडिक लगेगा ना, दो है तो
क्या लगेगा?
बी लगेगा.
हाँ,
आई थिंक, मुझे जहाँ तक लग रहा है.
क्या लगेगा?
So she is telling
There are two
अरे let her tell ना, सुनीता जी. Speak
Yes,
more
sir,
loudly.
will लगेगा. The matter will have been taken care. I think ये होना चाहिए.
अच्छा, you think?
मैंने जब क्लास मैंने किया तो मैंने यही सीखा है कि दो वर्ब है तो और एक एक्स्ट्रा वर्ब लगता है ना.
You think or you know? दोनों में
No,
difference है.
I know. I think no. मतलब मैं सोच नहीं रही सर, मैं जानती हूँ कि दो है तो एक्स्ट्रा और एक
जानना था आपको. यहाँ पे फाइट करना चाहिए, आपको यहाँ मार देना चाहिए. मतलब मुझे कि सर हाउ कुड यू डू दैट? सर यू टोल्ड मी दैट इफ एक्टिव सेंटेंस विल हैव थ्री, यहाँ पे वी हैव थ्री वर्ब्स हियर एंड पैसिव में भी. गौतम अच्छे से सुनो. The matter will have been taken care. Absolutely right, सुनीता जी. आप बहुत अच्छा नजर से आपने कर दिया. मतलब अपने गलती भी किया, फिर आपने गलती को सही भी कर दिया. वेरी गुड. किसी के दिमाग में आया नहीं है?
आपके दिमाग में नहीं आया?
Yeah, Zeba,
Sir,
what
I-
जब
happened?
सर सुनीता दी बोली तब आया.
Okay,
सर
yeah,
हमको
Zeba.
लगा आप पूछेंगे.
अच्छा, आपको लगा पूछेंगे. अरे, सब कुछ हम बोल दिए, इतना ताली वाली बज गया, उसके बाद हम बोले कि
हमको
Yeah,
लगा सर आप
Gautam.
एक एक का नाम लेके पूछेंगे.
No, that's what I somehow expect कि किसी इसके दिमाग में लग सकता है. So somehow.
सर लेकिन आप एक्टिंग बहुत
बहुत
अच्छा
देर से
कर
सोच रहे थे.
हाँ ज़ेबा.
बहुत देर से हम बोलने का सोच रहे थे. आप पूछ ही नहीं रहे थे.
लेकिन सर अगर मैं नहीं बोलती तो फिर मेरा क्लियरिटी फिर क्लियर नहीं होता. मैं अपने आप को फिर में डाउट रहता है.
राइट. हमेशा अगर आपको जब भी मैं बोलूँ ना आर यू कंफर्म, तो अगर आप गलत भी हो ना तो उस समय कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो कि आई कंफर्म दैट. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि आप गलती को भी अगर आप ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलेंगी तो लोग ले लेंगे. लेकिन सही चीज को भी अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोलोगे तो पीपल विल नॉट बिलीव यू. Gautam, please listen. You must have not seen that आपने जो सेंटेंस बोला था वो करेक्ट नहीं था. उसमें आपने बीन का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया था. बीन एंड बीन. As you know, it's a very small mistake, but it can make your sentence wrong.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
As we नहीं, sorry नहीं, अपना realization important है कि active has 3 verbs, so passive will definitely have 4 verbs.
Yes, sir.
Will have been taken care of.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Devashish, you could not get it?
Yeah.
Okay. क्या हो गया ये? Okay, fine. Now I'll be giving you individual sentences. I guess. Oh, नहीं, ज़ेबा जी को बोला नहीं गया ना, ज़ेबा जी? No, I asked, I guess.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, सबको हो गया, सबको. Okay, I'm giving you a sentence right now. Sunita ji, your sentence is. Okay. So I have to give a good sentence. Okay, so I have given you different sentences so that you can make the passive sentences, all the 12 sentences. So I'm repeating all the sentence again. Sam repaired the car. John has been doing the work. Jules had been preparing the food. Someone will finish the work by 5 p.m. Sally is going to make a beautiful dinner. She will make toys. So please make it